to my channel. So today I will be opening this awesome blossom. So before we get started, subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up and hit the notification bell. An awesome blossom is this. So step 1, plant the seed. Step 3, water. Step 2, water. Step 3, it'll come out. Okay, so now I will start to open it.
Okay, you need help?
Nah. It's a leaf.
Oh, I think that's how you water your blossom.
Let me see this. Oh, let me open it.
Okay, wait. Before you open that, why don't you look at the instructions?
Okay.
See if there's any instructions. It says awesome blossom. It's in that. So this is the first time that we've had this. We had the other one that was called...
Look!
I can't remember what it was called. You want me to help
An
you?
awesome blossom.
No, the other one. It was called, I think a bloom, right?
Yeah, a bloom.
So it says, step 1, protect the surface before play. Remove and insert, and pull tab. Okay, yeah, so take that out. Wait, just the top, yeah.
All of it?
Yeah, so pull that little piece out. Okay, now put it back in. And then it says, fill pot with sparkle play soil. All right, hold on. With that. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this purple.
We should just save some.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I feel it?
Mm-hmm. Sure.
Wow. Now?
Okay, hold on.
Okay, now I'll get some water.
Okay, so it says,
Dump some water on the leaf.
It says add a leafful of water at a time and watch it grow.
It's moving.
Here, you hold the leaf and I'll dump you water. Closer this way. With your hand. Did that scare you? Did that scare you? All right, it says, watch her grow. see which one you've gotten. Okay, so. Okay, hold on. There's more to do. Okay, so hold this. Okay, now you can take this. And it says that you can put these flowers.
Anywhere on there?
To stand up.
Here's what I got. Yep. Hey, Mommy!
What?
There's a clover! I
A
got
clover?
clover.
What does that mean? Oh, look, here's a pillow. Here's a purse. So the little punch out things came with a pillow and a purse and some flowers. So it says you can use the leaf now and hook it
Where?
like that, I think. And now the blossom can lay in there. You can put her pillow in the leaf with her.
I think that's her bed.
Yeah, that's her purse. And then you can put that over top of it as a dome.
It's a pretty snow globe. What happens if I turn it upside down?
You can try it. All right, so you didn't get the ultra rare one with the
Can I
real
see?
diamond. That's what that one looks like. I'm not sure why yours has a check next to it.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, look. Let me look it again. Oh, it says it's rare. So Alyssa, so here's the clover. This is the one that Alyssa got. This girl up here. Oops. This one. Cool.
Her bed fell over.
So did you like this one better than the
Other one?
Bloom? Yeah, the other one, the one that I think it was called Bloom, right?
Yeah.
Which one did you like better?
It's called Blossom.
Or did, well, this one's called Awesome Blossom, but the other one was called a Bloom. Which one did you like better, or did you like them both the same?
Leave it in the comment and tell us below.
Which one did you like?
Bye!
Alyssa?
I liked this one.
Why? Because there was more stuff to do?
Yeah. All you needed to do is pour water on the other one
Oh, okay.
and
Yeah.
open wrappers. That's it.
This one, you had this powder stuff.
Yep. I didn't get any of the ultra rares one.
Okay.
What does it mean if I get a clover?
The clover is a rare. The star is super rare. And then the other ones that don't have those marks next to it are just regular everyday. All right. Did you have fun?